Well, back to Time Garage, but we're working on today the 2016 F150. I got this Hopkins impulse brake controller and this connector, and from that connector, the red wire from that connector goes to the brake switch right there. That little wire on the far left is the brake light wire, and it was that simple. I just looked at some videos on how to remove the dash components here, and that gives you access to the factory's wiring harness connector for the factory brake, trailer brake. My truck didn't have that, but they still have the wiring harness. So when I tested it, I'm getting power from the brake controller to the blue wire. Now, whether or not I have to activate something for that blue wire to go to the back bumper, I don't know. When I hook up the trailer, I'll know. Or if my buddy comes, we can test if there's power at the brake wire on the back of the truck. If not, then you can still do what I've done and then just run a blue wire from here to the back of the truck, or to the harness that goes to the back of the truck if you can find the right wire. Personally would probably run on a wire if it had to. So here you can see there's two screws, and what I did is I made a little bracket. Can you see something if I go in here? Not really. Okay, so there's a little bracket that I made that attaches to the mounting bracket that comes with the impulse controller. So now it's solid, right? And it's going to be in the exact spot that the factory trailer brake control goes. So I'm not sure if the other controllers are the same size, but this impulse one fits right in this Ford dash pretty much. So yeah, that didn't take too long, really. I didn't time myself, but yeah, not very long, you know. So now I'm not finished. I have to put the trim pieces back in, make sure all the harnesses are connected to the controls, etc. So yeah, very easy to do, especially since all I needed was a test light, wire cutter, pliers for the piggyback connector. So yeah, it's and a drill with some self-tapping screws. Real simple. So yeah, that's done. And like I say, when my buddy comes, we'll just ask him to come down, see if he comes or not, and we can test with the bumper. Right? So nothing on board time today yet. Now that I did the trailer brake on my pickup, I might work on this rad support. You can see what I'm going to do is cut it off there on both sides, and then I'm going to move it inward so that the rad, because this rad is actually out of a Dodge van RV, so it's a bigger rad than a A-body rad. Since I got the 440 in here, I'm using the bigger rad. So yeah, I guess that's it. More Time Garage for today. we worked on my pickup and putting in a trailer brake controller. Like an hour and a half maybe, because I got to do this. Put these things back together. I got 10 minutes here. Put the trim pieces back in. Okay, ciao for now.